What now we change the curling? We change the curling because this one is 1,000, 1,000 1,000 100 millimeter, and another mode is 500 millimeter. From big size change to small size, it's okay. We should because the height a little difference. But if from minimum size to big size, we should first change the curling. Because the mold may be touched, we should move the curling. We should ensure the curling not touch the mold, because the mold height different and size different. So what now we change the curling. 4 pieces. We lose the 4 pieces. There's 4 boards. And if not easy to, if it's not easy, you can rise a little. You can rise a little to do it. Take all the 4 pieces off. Take all the 4 pieces off and take it off. And then you can take it off. Yeah, the whole support, whole curling support off. Different size. This one different size. This support for the curling, top curling, cup top curling. This height different. And now we lose the cup. Metal cup. Lose the metal cup. You should block. You should hand block it because it's voltage. Each board. 这是几颗螺丝啊？ This one also 4 boards. Be careful. You should keep all the boards. You say you can water by hand. You can water it by hand and find a good location place for the loose it. You say you lose this board. This side is not easy, so we can water it to another side, which place is easy to lose it, and then we do change. Curling metal boards, 4 pieces. Yeah, 等一下啊。After lose all the boards, we can take it off. The last board. 这个是这样的吗？ Oh, yeah. You should take all this off. And take the metal cup out. 那个也要换掉吧？
那个下面还要用。
这个都是一样的吗？
对。
OK。
那个小的不一样，那大的不一样。
哦。That's the metal cup. Here is the spring inside. And what now we lose the 好吧，开始。What now we lose the knurling. First we take the heater, aluminum heater out. And then we take the knurling. The knurling we should move a little, which to a location, to the place which is easy operate. Yeah, which one is easy operate? 4 pieces board. You can tell me. 4 pieces. Take 4 pieces board out. Well, the last 2 you should move it out and move it to the separate hole. Help separate. These 2 boards to help to separate the knurling plate because after is heating, after heating, it's the parts, material parts is already very tight inside. So you use two bolts. You use two bolts to help to separate. Take this part, separate this bolts off. The knurling plate, knurling cover, knurling outside the board. Here is a knurling wheel, knurling gear. Here's a knurling wheel, knurling gear. Okay, right now we lose the knurling gear, because the bottom different. If the bottom, 它模具杯底不一样是吧？
对。
If the bottom not same, we should also lose this one. If bottom same, this bottom knurling chain. Bottom angle same, bottom knurl. If bottom diameter same and the angle same, the bottom knurling no change. But if bottom different and angle different, you should change these parts, the bottom knurling. Take the wheel out. You should keep all the bolts. You should keep all the bolts. And here, it's because heating. After heating, it become tight and not easy to take out. We use a big spanner. Help. You can rotate. You can rotate it to make it the four sides even. Okay, take it off.
还要把这个东西要拿出来。一台就配一个轴承。
You should take this gear out, use the knurling bearing out, because only one machine, only one bearing, only one machine. 这个。You should lose the screw and take the bearing out. To change, to lose the bearing is not easy. Normally, in one machine we give one piece as bearing. So, for the customer, you can buy several pieces, and then you no need to change the bearing. But normally, for the machine, we only one machine give one pieces. One machine give one pieces. Okay, right now the bearing is out. Okay, right now bearing is out. But now we assemble the bearing to another, to the new pieces. To the new. Which four sides should be even. Four sides should be even. Four sides should be even. And then the screw fix it. Then the screw fix it. Screw to keep the bearing not moving. Okay, we finish assemble the new one and we assemble it back. Assemble it back. The new one for the which one you want to change the mode. And there is a bolt, yeah. Well, you do this because it's rotate. There is a hole. Yeah, there is a hole. And you rotate. Yeah, you hold. There is a hole to block. to block it, and then you can lock. You can lock it. Because if this one is not blocked, if this one not blocked, you cannot move it, because it's waterable. You see, it's waterable. Because the button, the exchange mode button same. So here, hot here button is not changed. But if the button different, if the button different too much, if the button different too much, maybe this one you should change also inside the core, inside the center. And what now we change the preferred, first the preferred mode, and because the angle different, and if the button different, angle different, we need to change, especially for the hot set mode. This one is simple, just move the board and take it out. Move the board and take it out. Yeah, simple. Yeah, inside is heater, inside is a heater. This one inside is a heater. And because we want to change the button, so move this off. We move this off. We take it out. We move this off because we will change here, this bolt. Here is the bolt. Lose it and take it out. Lose it, take it out.